asuntoskeittiökulmatörme.
On 11th of July 2023, we have Pöytäalhontie 103 staircase C. We filmed staircase B here before. Only the staircase A left to be filmed here in this residential building here in the Järvenpää, Finland. Finland with 6 floors, built in 1983, turning 40 years old this year in 2023. And this number is H62932, will also be installed this year in 2023. And the capacity is 4 places, 35 grams. It has 2 rides here with memory. I like the sounds and the smell in here.
Same here.
And the floor number is on a different position. Sometimes it's like there in the corner.
Yeah.
And it's here by the window.
Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Shinlo.
So check the alarm door. Is it on the first or second?
I'm not sure. That's